Hello and welcome to Derivo Club. We're excited to officially welcome you to our new and improved platform. We have now fully transitioned to Derivo Club, a space designed to help you trade smarter, faster, and with confidence. Let's explore what we have to offer. Please watch this video carefully to understand how our platform works. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly support us by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. Now let's dive right in. First, let's open our website. As you can see, Derivo Club is a powerful platform that hosts automated Deriv trading bots designed specifically for trading on Deriv markets. Currently, we offer 6 trading bots: Flash Bot, 7 Bot, Parity Bot, Even Bot, Odd Bot, and DiffX Bot. In addition to our bots, we also provide account management services. You can start with an amount ranging from $100 to $5,000. Our management period runs between 24 hours and 120 hours, and the profit sharing structure is simple and fair. 80% goes to you and 20% goes to us. Getting started is easy. If you don't already have an account, simply click on register, fill out the form, and link your Deriv account. If you already have an account, click login and you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice that most bots are locked, except for the DiffX Bot, which is available for free. To unlock any bot, simply click the buy button, copy your preferred wallet address, and complete the payment. After payment, copy your transaction ID, click verify, and paste it in. The system will automatically verify your transaction, unlock your bot, and you can begin trading immediately. Before trading, we strongly recommend downloading the user guide to fully understand how each bot works. Android users can also download our Android app for easier access. Please note, the DiffX Bot, being a free bot, should be used with caution. We advise using it only on a demo account, not a live account. Make sure to read the PDF guide carefully. For better and more consistent results, consider purchasing one of our already developed premium bots displayed here. You can also check out reviews from other users or leave your own review by clicking the review button. At the top of the page, you'll find Account Management. Clicking on it will take you to the Account Management dashboard, where you can use the calculator to check your deposit amount, management duration, and profit split, all in one place. If there's anything you don't understand, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp or Telegram, available on our website. Our support team is always ready to help. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. To see how each bot operates, visit the bot section and click on Watch Video. Thank you for watching and welcome once again to Derivo Club. See you inside and happy trading. Bye-bye.